Hey, what's up? My name is Scott, and I'm the real estate specialist here at Exodus Capital. I've been in this game for over 15 years, and I help people like you turn income struggles into smart financial win without lottery luck or fake gurus. Now, if you're living with that feeling like one emergency could take you out, you're not imagining it. It's real, and today we're going to talk about it. Stick with me until the end of this video, because if you're tired of just surviving and ready to actually get ahead, I'm going to show you how to shift the game in your favor. Financial stress is something that affects millions of people every day. It's not just about the numbers in your bank account. It's about the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're secure. Imagine not having to worry about the next bill or the next unexpected expense. Imagine being able to plan for the future with confidence. That's what we aim to help you achieve here at Exodus Capital. We believe that everyone deserves a chance to build a better financial future. Whether you're dealing with debt, trying to save for a big purchase, or just looking to make your money work harder for you, we've got the tools and the expertise to help you get there. Our team is dedicated to providing you with the best advice and strategies tailored to your unique situation. So if you're ready to take control of your financial future, you're in the right place. We're here to guide you every step of the way. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with someone you care about. We want this info to reach everyone who needs it, because the algorithm won't if you don't. Let's get started on this journey together. Let's talk facts. A single trip to the emergency room can cost over $3,000. A blown transmission, $1,800. And guess what? 63% of Americans can't cover a $500 surprise expense. One small thing goes wrong, and your entire life can unravel. What do most people do? They swipe the credit card, take out payday loans, or dip into rent money because there's no plan B. It's not your fault. The economy isn't built to protect you. It's built to keep you working, spending, and stressing. You ever feel like prices are rising faster than your paycheck? That's not paranoia. We're in a time where inflation is sticky, layoffs are rising, and AI is replacing jobs left and right. And employers, they'll drop you before lunch and post your job by dinner. 2025 isn't just unpredictable, it's financially dangerous. And if you're still relying on one source of income, that's a ticking time bomb. You ever wonder why wealthy people don't panic when things go sideways? It's a question that might have crossed your mind, especially during times of economic uncertainty or market volatility. While the rest of us might be biting our nails, they seem to glide through financial storms with an air of calm and confidence. It's not because they're lucky, it's because they're prepared. They have a plan, a strategy that's been carefully crafted and executed over time. They understand the importance of diversification and have multiple income streams that act as safety nets. They've built streams of income that don't care if the market crashes or they lose their job. These income streams are resilient, designed to withstand economic downturns and personal setbacks. Whether it's through investments, real estate, or other ventures, they've ensured that their financial well-being isn't tied to a single source. They're not smarter than you. They don't have some secret intelligence or insider information that's out of your reach. What they do have is access to knowledge and resources that have taught them how to navigate the financial landscape effectively. They just learned something you haven't been taught yet. The good news is this knowledge isn't exclusive. It's available to anyone willing to learn and apply it. The key is finding the right guidance and education to bridge that information gap. That's what we do at Exodus Capital. We're dedicated to empowering individuals with the financial education they need to succeed. Our mission is to demystify the world of finance and make it accessible to everyone. We teach real people how to create income outside of their 9-to-5. We provide the tools and strategies to build passive income streams that can offer financial security and freedom without gambling and without guessing. Our approach is based on proven methods and sound financial principles. We eliminate the guesswork and provide a clear, actionable plan. And no, I'm not going to give you the strategy here, because understanding and applying these strategies requires more than just a quick tip. It requires a comprehensive education, because people pay for the blueprint, and it works. Our clients have seen real results, and we're committed to helping more people achieve financial independence. Join us at Exodus Capital and take the first step towards closing your information gap. Listen, if this is hitting home for you, it's time to stop scrolling and start building. Our real estate investing course is built to show you how to generate real recurring income. No fluff, no fake promises. Tap the link in the description or visit exoduscapital.com and get inside the course now. You deserve more than just survival. Let's talk about something nobody wants to admit. Financial fear is a silent killer. It messes with your sleep, your relationships, even your health. You're snapping at your kids, dodging calls from debt collectors, ignoring your own dreams, all because your bank account can't handle life's punches. But what if you didn't have to live like that? What if you could breathe, knowing your bills are covered, your family is safe, and your income doesn't vanish the moment your boss decides you're replaceable? You're not lazy. You're not broken. You've just been misinformed. The system has set you up to believe that endless hard work is the only way to achieve success. But that's not the whole story. You've been conditioned to think that if you're not grinding every single day, you're not doing enough. And that's simply not true. They've taught you to work harder, not smarter. To put in more hours, to sacrifice your personal time, and to always be on the go. But what if I told you there's a way that doesn't involve burning yourself out and missing out on life's precious moments? To chase income, not build it. You've been running on a financial treadmill, always moving but never really getting anywhere. It's time to step off that treadmill and start building a foundation that will support you and your family for years to come. But the truth is, with the right knowledge and a proven roadmap, you can break free and start living on your terms. Imagine a life where you're not constantly stressed about money, where you have the freedom to spend time with your loved ones, and where you can pursue your passions without financial worry. So here's your next step. Go to exoduscapital.com and enroll in our real estate investing course today, not tomorrow. This course is designed to give you the tools and knowledge you need to start building real sustainable wealth. Don't put it off any longer, not someday. Today, the sooner you start, the sooner you can begin to see the benefits. Time is your most valuable asset, and the best time to take control of your financial future is right now. This one decision could change the next 10 years of your life. Imagine looking back a decade from now and seeing how far you've come, all because you took that first step today. Your future self will thank you for making this choice. I'm Scott with Exodus Capital. We're here to guide you every step of the way. Our team is dedicated to helping you achieve your financial goals and live the life you've always dreamed of.